Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And today I have the overview of the Carpuride, the W905, this one. What can I tell you about it? Well, if you have a car just like me, an old car, and you want to upgrade it with a display, so you can have Google Maps, WhatsApp, play music, Spotify, then this is a better option, I think, as your phone onto your dash, onto your windscreen, because this one has also two cameras, one for the front side of your car and one camera on the rear side of your car. And if you have a car just like I have, with a trunk that's blinded, have a look over here. When I reverse the car back into a parking space, I have a lot of blind areas just around the car. I can't look over my shoulder. It's a solid, so I have to rely on both of the mirrors, which are not that fish eye-like, so to say. Inner mirror, you have to be very careful. And with this thing, it's easy as dough. Super. Especially, as you saw in my previous videos about the Carpuride, when you have the 200 degrees Sony rear view camera. The original one I had with it, it's good in a normal car, when you can also look over your shoulder through the windows, which I can't. If you connect the 200 degrees camera, you have a really great angle, as you noticed in the previous videos. So, okay. Another thing, I was pleasantly surprised when I got this display, how you call it, car upgrade. I wanted to update the software. So I contacted the support of the Carpuride, asked them where I could find the update for this. They sent it to me, the new firmware, and I had to put it onto the SD card with special software. They also sent it me. Well, whatever I tried, and I tried everything, I couldn't get it to work. So we were emailing back and forward, and they always responded almost right away. There is, of course, a time difference when it's here day, it's over there night. So that in mind. But they were constantly quick. And they helped me. They said, old mechanic, try this, try that, and back and forward. I couldn't get it to work. Then, guys, I also told them about the rear camera, which was by this one. That it was not that good. And they quickly responded and they said, we're gonna send you a better one. Wow. And meanwhile, I was trying to get it, the firmware upgraded, couldn't get it to work. And then the help desk said, don't worry, old mechanic. The moment we have that new camera, the updated version in house, we also send an SD card with the software onto it. So, I was flabbergasted. The way they were helping me, it was absolutely great. So, a week later or so, I guess, it arrived. Then, all you had to do, normally, get the SD card out of the machine, put the new firmware onto it, put it in, and then get it into action. So, and then it automatically updates the firmware. So guys, what I did, put that new SD card into it, got it on my power supply, started it up, and right away it automatically starts updating the firmware. So, I have to say, help desk for Carpuride is absolutely great. Yeah, they swiftly responded, they constantly helped me with new options, which is good. And then finally, they just sent me the card with an update onto it. Well, that was great, absolute. Then guys, would I buy this system for my car? Would I buy it? Would I advise it to you? Knowing what I know now, this one is worth the money. I'll be honest. As you could see, it fits nicely in my car. It has Google Maps. Whenever someone sends you a WhatsApp message, it comes on top of here. You can control it with Google Assistant, which is also good. There is a microphone over there. You have all the settings. The only thing that I don't like is this. You get into your car, put the key in the ignition. It's quick. It's 10 seconds. So that's good. But in my opinion, it's way too loud. Actually, I would like a setting that I could shut it down. I don't like it. But can I live with that? Yeah, I can. I can. If that's the only thing, well, then it's alright. Guys, now watch. Maybe I didn't show you that, but watch. This is the button to do that. Now we go back. This one. Watch. You can put this button whatever you want. So that's great. I discovered it just yesterday. Up. Now, I'm gonna, now watch. Camera. Hier. Even kijken. Up. Too high. You can swivel it. Ta-da! See? I really like it. So you can go it. So up. So that's good, huh? The display is quick. Yeah. Put it out like this. Watch. Just have to tap it and it's right away there. Can also put it out here. Oh, and there. I'm glad, in hindsight, that Carpuride sent me one for free. So this is a sponsored video. And I was able to check it out. Absolute. So guys, so now that was my video about the Carpuride. If you liked my video, consider a subscription. I really would appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm thinks, oh, old mechanic, yet again a great video. We should show it to more people so my channel grows and I can make more videos. Well, that's it for today, I would say. And as usual, see you the next time. Old mechanic.